We are, first and foremost, welding engineers dedicated to welding equipment in the welding industry. But also we back that up with exceptional service on consumables and spares. You know, if you want high quality, hard facing wires, that's available right here. If you want high quality stainless steel TIG filler, it's available here. If you want some really, really good quality A18 TIG filler, it's in stock. You know, if you want new torches made with bespoke heads or an automation torch for an automation process, come and see us, because it's everything that we can do for you. As well as being fume extraction, we always go down the route of Kemper. I just think they're a fantastic company to deal with. Again, their service is what makes them a great company. A fantastic product is a Kemper product, but the service from the guys in Germany is exceptional. It's second to none. It's another reason why we deal with them. I think that's all I've got to talk about today.